Hello everyone, this is Dr. Samuel Adebayo. As an experienced financial advisor with a doctoral degree in international business, I've spent years guiding individuals on their paths to financial growth. Today, we'll be talking about a topic that's close to my heart: investing. More specifically, we'll be discussing the 10 early mistakes that rookie investors frequently make. The world of investing can be as rewarding as it is complex, and it's all too easy to stumble into pitfalls if you are not careful. These mistakes can range from not having a clear investment goal to neglecting crucial research. By understanding these common errors and learning how to avoid them, you can navigate your investment journey with greater confidence and success. So whether you're a novice, dipping your toes into the investment pool, or a seasoned investor looking for a refresher, this video is for you. Stay with us as we delve into these common pitfalls and how you can avoid them.